you.
Where's me?
Me see you, baby.
Where's me?
Who are got foreign?
Think about the
Let me
magic.
tell
Think about the
you
magic.
this. If you go, don't come back.
Hey Army Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bree, and I'm back at it like a jagadix. So guys, listen, we can't stay long. Bree out and do it on live. So basically, what we are gonna do is we are gonna tell Bree say, me a fly out. So I am flying out today. 1 o'clock, me am flying today. And tell me I plan this, Bree. Come on, man. Me little catty say then. Come Rick. So me just say, go. I said we can't chop off the go pengeling. We chop off the go pengeling. I said we can't take it over to Bree. Here, if you see this darling, me sorry. Okay, I'm flying out 1 o'clock today. So guys, if you're interested in seeing Bree's reaction, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video. Remember, so we are trying to reach 50k subs, so please remember to join the family, guys. You understand? Come along on the journey, share the video as well. Let's go. No, mommy tell us, say, just sort out the papers they want to see. No. Just sort out the paper then. No, so she now no. Just sort out. No man, bossy happy by correctional office then after a couple months. No, make it.
How are you talk to?
Eh?
How are you talk to?
Nobody?
Who you talk
Me
to?
not talk to nobody.
Me hear you in your
Me not
talk.
talk to nobody. Me not talk to nobody. I swear, me just know me not talk to nobody.
So let me see your pocket.
What you want to see pocket for? Move the man, what you want to see pocket for?
What is in your pocket, be?
Nothing in our pocket, me not talk to nobody. What's that? Bro, go on, but not live with the pan, go on for your life. Go on for your life, not live with the pan, go on.
Guys, me here looking about phone and him a harass me. Look.
What's that?
Me frowns and why you so
No, what to say I tell you?
Me frowns.
No, what to say I tell you?
Me done tidy up out
You're not
here.
done tidy up. Go on back out yesterday.
Me frowns is smelling no a roll on. Me never remember to put on a roll on last night.
Yo, man, go on over there. Hey, zero. Go on. No, like really fun. Thank you.
Fix up Bucky. Guys, bring up fuck with me, you know. I've been late, you know.
Yeah, as you mean, I said, let's get the paperwork and done so we can get the fly out as soon as possible. But you make me come in and say you have to take sheet too. You can't just leave her on the take sheet too. What time flight? Come on, 1 o'clock flight.
Me see you.
Where's me?
Me see you, baby.
Where's me?
Who are got foreign?
Nobody not going for it.
Welcome from foreign.
Nobody not going for it. Yeah, I said the signal, that's the problem.
Be away phone.
No, see something jump outside.
So why you put your phone on the bed for?
Let me phone and something and sit properly see
Me
this.
see.
Me not put nothing on that bed, me say. What's that? Yo, guys, the live in the pan.
Stop it.
The live she the pan.
Look how you have a towel on me. He's working with my vagina upon the ground.
Nobody not gonna find people on the phone. Now we are listening. Look at the video, man.
I'm gonna change my clothes.
We don't live in the pan. Go on, tidy back the place. Go on,
Me
now.
not tidy the place.
Oh!
What's that? Yo, go to my girl, you're so style. You don't see self, man. Go on. Chat to the car him now.
Mega Emily, I mega call my man.
You do it? Anyways, go on. That is good. Go on. Come here, give me something to talk to you about.
Me and camera people, right?
Come here, just listen to me.
Me not look.
Just write yourself, write yourself.
Me and bring them. Guys, listen to me. What?
Push on the door.
Wait the bomb, where I go?
We know that I talk to you about. We know. Be calm down now.
Where I go?
Listen, we have a plan. Let's come on, listen, we have a plan. We have to go to the listen, what we have to say.
Where I go, be?
Listen now.
What?
We have a plan, we.
Wait, where I go, be?
What you know? Oh, why do you want to take me?
What?
She had take me, what's his name, on 1 o'clock flight today. No,
You're very funny.
listen now, when we go over, me, I will take you.
No?
When me just, me I see what this is the reason why me didn't tell you from early, you know. This is the reason why I never tell you. I say, just relax me. Just give me the good, my suit and clothes.
What the fuck?
Say God know you. Come here, me and talk to you.
Me not chatting with you.
You must say live out this, you know.
Me not
Come on, where's that?
Leave me
You
alone.
don't want you wanna. You wanna do the same thing?
No.
Come here, man. Come where's some more.
Me not give no girl me man. You're batty man.
No, listen
Leave me
now.
now.
Listen now, baby, listen. Come here. I'm gonna tell us. Serious thing.
What?
You wanna make me go and take you?
No.
Why? Ultimately, we just get a couple of good sex. That's it, you know? Just blow our mind, give us some spectacular and me give. Come here, baby. Me and talk to you. Just relax. Just think about it.
Let me tell you
logically.
this. If you go, don't come back.
Oh, me gonna take you.
Delete me, don't
Me
go.
gonna take you.
Delete me,
I am going to take you.
Don't call me.
Madam.
Don't come back for me. Me no want you.
So, B, come here. Come here, me and talk to you.
Listen, me not talking with you.
B, come here, let me carry you.
Miss, what?
Keep it carry.
Me a go sell it.
Say what, you ain't got to get
Me
something.
a sell it.
Yo.
Me a sell it.
What? Just keep the vehicle. You have the vehicle until me can resolve the problem.
Me a sell it here.
Cover it up with one cover or something.
Me a go sell it.
Sell it if you want.
Go on and see.
But me tell you, so you're going to take it.
Me no want you take.
It's just couple jam and couple good night, good time.
No.
And then.
No. You're a batty man.
But you're back in our man, you're going
You
with.
love sweets, man.
That's sweet.
You love sweets, man. But you got married white woman.
What kind of sweets you
take
got?
who? Married white woman to take.
You never say people on the life, you have to do business. Mute the life.
Me not mute no
You
life.
see, they come over the life where you mute the life.
I'm not coming off no life.
God almighty, Bree, just mute the fucking seat now.
No.
A private business we're talking about now, you know.
No, you want to talk about yourself, go foreign. Go on and find, but that's just a couple good sex. Good sex and mother, man.
A private something you talk about, you know, youth.
What? Talk!
Come, sit down and talk to you, right? So basically the plan is, right? We book her for another minute, we are talking.
So why you never tell me this?
Because, see, this is the reason. This is the rotty reason. Look how you behave. Friend, I'm little minute me meet her, me I talk to her, me I build her up. You know, sweet her up, punch her up, nice her up.
So why you never tell me your plan?
Because me I tell you the last minute, no, because...
Why you tell me last minute?
If you can't think about it, if you ask me about an hour before me can go in, or 1 o'clock flight.
Eh? So go on. Go on.
Be listen.
Mr. Gwan.
Me just go over.
Just go.
Listen. You know, listen to me, you just get upset. You know, listen to me. It can benefit 2 hours. The 2 hours can benefit when you are foreign. Me go, we can go do.
Why? Listen. Why you never send me to a man?
Because me first get the opportunity. And me first, and me book her and me talk to her and she say, alright, then come bling, me gonna take you. Right?
So what gonna happen when you left her and take me?
Me never gonna let her, I'm just gonna take you, make you come up. I'm gonna continue to get the little sweet wine, little bamboo. But listen, baby, come. Just.
Stop touching me. Yeah, just stop.
Relax.
Just leave me alone. Just
relax.
Just one.
It is a good idea.
Just one.
It's a brilliant idea when you know where you get to do it.
Go on a foreign, go on go fuck
me left with the car, me left with everything.
Go on go fuck your white girl. Go on a foreign, go on go make you fall for you. Yeah, you pay upon. Go on. You look
so that way I will
yeah, they hungry?
No.
Yeah, they hungry?
It's an opportunity.
Are you dead for hungry?
It's an opportunity.
Are you dead for hungry?
No.
Other opportunities can come in life. No.
No,
but true because you want to spread your cock.
Me not spread your cock, nothing.
Want to spread your cock. I only chance you got
so I cock is the problem?
I only
put it in the picture then cock.
The only chance you want to go cheat, so want to cheat.
And you cheat me and cheat the opportunity.
Don't come back.
God Almighty, just listen to me.
Do not come back. Don't come back. Don't come for me. Don't come to
me. You want me to take you?
No.
Why?
No. Don't
come here, bring me a talk.
Don't take me.
Come here, something to say before me.
What?
Come here, for true, honestly.
Me not talking right now. Me hungry, me not talking. Come on.
You look at one I ask you.
Yeah, go on.
Come here now.
Me not talking with you. Me don't talk. Don't finish talking.
So guys, good morning and afternoon. So guys, I'm going to be away from Bree for a little minute, and I just want to give her, me not say much yet, but we are going to, what's going on babe? I want to her. So give me a kiss goodbye. Me I tell you chat. Me I go on you just give me a kiss no work.
Mom, just come out of my face no.
Say guys, what we do this?
No, me not do no video.
Alright guys, so you know she kinda upset she up on her period, but we are going on a little journey with you guys. She's okay, she get along. You understand? So everybody's about to Bree. Give a little minute. Say bye to Bree. Bye now. Alright guys, so the drive is going to be here a couple minutes. What happened?
Stop playing with me, Ricardo.
What happened?
Stop playing with me.
Come give me a hug before me go.
You know, that's one.
Come now.
That's one.
Come give me a hug before me go, baby.
Just one.
You still alive?
Just one.
Come be, give me a kiss.
Just leave me alone now.
See, you don't give me a knife food to me?
No, me never.
You don't have knife food for you?
Yes.
Say God no.
Yeah, they got foreign, go on a foreign.
A joke can't make you can't have whole life food and not give me none. Bum where is the girl have whole life? Me not go nowhere, Bree. God no, me not go nowhere. Give me some of my food, man.
If you got foreign, one foreign. And I'm sure.
What a weird ending. When I weird is ending this, please remember to leave a like, leave a thumbs up, Guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, you know, because we actually reach 50K subs. So, join the family. If you're new, welcome. And peace.